Hello, today my name is Kenneth. I want to show you my first mobile app which I developed with Xamarin. Actually, what you are seeing on the screen right now, it's the output. It's a mobile app for marketing. So as you can see right now, this is the first screen where we have the user, the marketer, and the admin. So what they need to do is if you're a user, you just have to click on to connect now. So it will be connected to where you have to log in. At this point in time, the user needs to supply his or her mobile number and the tag number that has been specified by the admin from the beginning. Okay, so at this time, let's say I have my mobile number, which I have the default to say is, and my tag is this. Okay, now I want to log in. So the marketer has login. Actually, I create this for my former working environment. So here you can see now login successful. So here it's the daily marketing reporting section. So what the marketer has to do is by entering the marketing type. For example, I will say testing. Okay, testing. Then of course the prospect customer name. So Rita, and above of course the customer mobile number. I'm going to put any number and the email address of the customer. I'm going to say Rita at gmail.com. Now, this is a few questions. If the customer has a Facebook or WhatsApp account, if yes, for example, now there's Facebook, I'm going to say Facebook and you see the report. So at this point in time, now the report has been saved successfully. So here, the marketer just have to do is to enter the details. So once the marketer is done, the marketer for the day logs out. Okay. Now for the admin has to untoggle this. As you can see now, admin off at for admin, on for user. So now the admin wants to log in now. Okay. Now there's a new interface for the admin as well. So I'm gonna log in with my default admin. Okay. All right. I am gonna log in now. So into credential login field because invalid credentials. So I think it's my password. Okay. I'm gonna log in. Alright, login successful. Now, this is what the admin does. The admin can create a new account for a new admin. Like I said, it's for the update. I'm gonna go back, new marketer. It supplies the marketer detail. Okay, marketing records. So these are the list of marketing records that the marketer has entered previously. You can also search by entering the marketer tag, MKT. So you can pull out all the records of MKT. Rest of them. Go back to home page. Then filter. Okay, these are the records that the marketer entered today. Alright, so then log out. So actually, this is a simple app which can do a lot of work, and it's upon implementation. It's open room for expansion. There's an extension of it actually, which will be improved later. But let me show you some of the code which I have. Now, if you look from this end here now, what I use Visual Studio 2019 to develop it. Here are the different this is structure for mobile. Actually, I use the MVC pattern, which is known as MVVM. So here we have the admin section, we have the rest of the views, we have the services I'm calling on. Now, the backend database I'm using is Firebase, which is being handled by Google. So security is well secured. Okay. Here are some of the codes. There's a Xamarin code. Okay. There's a Xamarin structure, which is in XML. Then if you go to the backend coding, so here are some of the codes. Right. It's object oriented. Okay. Yeah. So this is what I like to show to you. If you love my video, and you want more information of what I have done so far, you can feel free to contact me at any point in time. Okay, right. Thank you.